Imagine buying a Lego set, and inside the box there's no bricks, just plastic and instructions on how to make bricks. That is what building an AI app used to be. 3 things by the end: what Mastra actually is, the smallest brick you can pick up, and how the bricks snap together. Part 1. Mastra is a TypeScript framework for AI apps. But here's the kid version. It's a box of bricks that are already made. Agents, tools, memory, workflows, you didn't mold them. You don't maintain them. You just open the lid and start building. 4 bricks matter on day 1. An agent, the thing that thinks. A tool, the thing that does. Memory, the thing that remembers you. A workflow, the recipe that keeps them in order. Everything else in Mastra is built out of these 4. So Mastra is the box, not the castle. You still build the castle. Part 2. The smallest thing you can actually pick up is an agent. And an agent is honestly just 4 sticky notes. Who am I? What's my name? What am I for? And which brain am I using? Here it is. Import agent from Mastra core agent. New agent, an ID so your code can find it. A name for the humans. Instructions, that's the personality, written in plain English, and a model, which is just a string, Anthropic/Claude. That's the whole agent. 5 lines. That instructions line is doing more work than it looks. You are a helpful assistant is a shrug. You are a grumpy pirate who only answers in 3 words is a completely different robot. Same code, same model, you changed 1 sticky note. An agent is 4 sticky notes and a brain. That's it, that's the brick. Part 3, 1 brick is a toy, you want a castle. So you hand your agents to the Mastra instance, that's the baseplate. It registers your agents, your workflows, where things get stored, and how they get logged. New Mastra, pass it your agents, pass it your workflows. Give it storage so memory has somewhere to live. Give it a logger so when it breaks, and it will break, you can see why. 1 baseplate. Everything clicks onto it. Here's the part nobody tells you. The hard bit of AI apps was never the clever prompt. It was the plumbing. Retries, state, memory, logs. Mastra is a box of plumbing that already works. Lock it in. Mastra is a box of pre-made bricks, not the finished castle. An agent is 4 sticky notes and a model string. And the Mastra instance is the baseplate everything snaps onto. Next lesson. We open the box and build 1 robot with exactly 1 job.